Most important point, Justin Sun believes that Hong Kong's developing strategy for digital asset licensing could lead to a change in attitude in mainland China, potentially creating a more favorable outlook for cryptocurrencies. This article provides an overview of recent developments in the cryptocurrency industry. It discusses Bitcoin's undramatic fate, as well as Tron founder Justin Sun's belief that Hong Kong's developing strategy for digital asset licensing could lead to a change in attitude in mainland China. Additionally, the article highlights upcoming events such as ETH Denver 2023, Web3 Toronto Summit, and the Eurozone Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices. Additionally, it covers Coinbase CEO Armstrong's comments on delisting Bust, Australia's central bank tapping MasterCard and others for its CBDC pilot, Ethereum's deployment of ERC 4337, and Polygon's zero-knowledge, privacy-enhanced identification product. Overall, the article provides a comprehensive look at the current state of the cryptocurrency industry. The Ethereum ETH merge had a significant impact on stakers, increasing returns from 1% in Q3 of last year to 6% in Q4. A new service, the EigenLayer, could potentially allow stakers to secure multiple services with the same initial capital. At press time, the overall revenue generated by stakers was estimated to be $2.02 billion. The number of non-zero addresses holding ETH had reached an all-time high. However, despite this, Ethereum's overall transaction volume declined. Its MVRV ratio was slightly positive, suggesting that most holders of Ethereum wouldn't be making huge profits if they sold their ETH. The long-short difference also declined, indicating a decrease in the number of short-term holders. This article provides an excellent analysis of the Ethereum network and its potential effects on stakers. It highlights the EigenLayer, a new service that could improve the situation for Ethereum stakers, as well as the increase in stakers and non-zero addresses on the network. Additionally, it provides an analysis of the current state of Ethereum and how it could affect future selling pressure. Overall, this article provides a comprehensive overview of Ethereum and its potential effects on stakers. Despite fears of a looming regulatory crackdown and extreme volatility in the crypto market posing risks to the financial system, 401 providers are allowing investors to add a handful of cryptocurrencies to their retirement savings plans. This move is largely driven by demand from younger people who believe blockchain technology could potentially be transformative. Investment giant Fidelity has also allowed retirement savers to add Bitcoin to their 401s. However, the U.S. Department of Labor has cautioned investors about the significant risks and challenges posed by crypto investments. The crypto market has been rocked by the collapse of FTX late last year and other crypto company bankruptcies. This has led to further concerns about the risks posed by cryptocurrencies to investors and the broader financial system. This article discusses the potential risks of allowing 401 retirement savers to invest in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other smaller cryptos. It outlines how For Us All, a 401 provider, has been expanding its crypto offering to include a handful of smaller cryptos. It also examines the controversy surrounding Fidelity's announcement last year to allow retirement savers to add Bitcoin to their 401s. Finally, the article looks at the risks posed by the crypto market to investors and the financial system, citing the collapse of major crypto exchange FTX. Overall, the article provides a comprehensive overview of the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies, and how they could potentially pose a risk to the wider financial system. Ethereum developers have targeted March 14th as the date for the Goerli test network to run through the Shanghai upgrade. This will enable withdrawals of staked ETH from the blockchain. After the Goerli test, Ethereum's main blockchain is expected to receive the Shanghai upgrade 3 to 4 weeks later in April. This is a slight delay from the original timeline that Ethereum developers set for March. This article provides an update on the timeline for the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade, which will enable withdrawals of staked ETH from the blockchain. Developers have set March 14th as a target date for the Goerli test network to run through the Shanghai upgrade, with a general consensus that the mainnet will receive the upgrade 3 to 4 weeks after Goerli is tested. This would mean that the staked ETH withdrawals would occur in April. A recent report showed that Ethereum validators were doing well in terms of staking revenue, with real returns of 6% in Q4 of 2022. Although the market structure was bullish on the higher timeframes, a revisit to $1,685 could initiate strong bearish pressure. Sentiments data showed a declining 90-day mean coin average and a falling 90-day MVRV ratio, indicating increased sell pressure. However, the network growth metric saw a sharp spike on 26th of February. This article provides an in-depth analysis of the current Ethereum market. It examines the various indicators that are influencing the price, such as the bullish structure on the higher timeframes, the order blocks, and the mean coin average and MVRV ratio. The article also provides potential shorting opportunities and take-profit targets. Overall, this article provides a comprehensive look into the current Ethereum market and the indicators that are influencing it.